Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about the reproduction in organism. First of all, we see what is reproduction. What is reproduction? Is the reproduction is the biological process by which organisms produce offspring similar to themselves to ensure the continuation of their species. That means reproduction रिप्रोडक्शन में क्या होता है? Reproduction is a biological process by which organism gives rise to offspring of their own kind, ensuring the continuity of life on Earth. It is one of the foundational characteristics of all living organisms. Reproduction remains again. Production means produce. Here रिप्रोडक्शन में हम लोग को क्या देखने के लिए मिलेगा? यहाँ पर एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का कैरेक्टर होता है रिप्रोडक्शन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म का कैरेक्टर होता है। यहाँ पर एक ऑर्गेनिज्म खुद का और एक कॉफी यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस करता है और खुद का जो पीसीज है, खुद का जो है हेरिडिटी है, वो एक जनरेशन से दूसरा जनरेशन ट्रांसफर करने के लिए रिप्रोड्यूस करता है। रिप्रोड्यूस मेनली टू टाइप्स। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. What is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction involves a single parent. Asexual reproduction mainly involves a single parents, and here no gamete formation. Here no formation or fusion of gametes, and here offspring are genetically identical to the parents. That means here offspring are we are tell about this offspring is called clones because offspring are genetically identical to the parent. And asexual reproduction commonly in unicellular organism and contain plant and animal. Unicellular organism and certain plant and animals, we see the asexual reproduction. And asexual reproduction method is binary fission, budding, fragmentation, post-fragmentation, and vegetative propagation. Binary fission is we see the binary fission is amoeba. हम लोग बाइनरी फिशन अमीबा में देखने को मिलेगा। बडिंग हाइड्रा और ईस्ट में देखने के लिए मिलेगा और फ्रैगमेंटेशन जो होता है ये स्पाइरोगैरा में देखने के लिए मिलता है और स्पोर फॉर्मेशन क्लाइमोडोमोनास में देखने के लिए मिलता है, पेनिसिलिन में देखने के लिए मिलता है और वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन जिंजर, बनाना और पोटैटो में देखने के लिए मिलता है और Another point is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction involves in male it two parents. Yeah, basic difference in asexual is involve one single parents, but when we see the sexual reproduction involves in two parents. And offspring exhibit genetic variation. Here, uh, female gamete and male gamete are fused and form zygote. That means here genetic variation is occurs because single set of chromosome, or that means haploid set of chromosome bear parent's character, and another haploid set of chromosome bears female character. That means male character bear a set of chromosome and female character bear a set of chromosome. Both set of haploid chromosome are fused, that is called fertilization. After fused form zygote. Zygote is go through the process of embryogenesis. After last of all a organism is formed. That means sexual reproduction involves in two parents where a offspring exhibited genetic variation, and the stages is sexual reproduction stages is gamete formation, fertilization, and development of zygote. That means gamete formation means it is the pre-fertilization stage, pre-fertilization stage. Number two is fertilization stage, and number three is post-fertilization stage, post-fertilization stage. Pre-fertilization stage is divided two process. One is gamete formation and another is gamete transfer. And gamete formation is by the process of gametogenesis, and gamete transfer is the another process, and by the help of air, water, mostly amphibians who lived in water circle or water area, they are transfer the gamete with the help of water. And another is fertilization. Fertilization means here single set of chromosome, that means haploid set of chromosome, female chromosome, haploid set of male chromosome are fused. That's process is called fertilization. And another is post-fertilization event or post-fertilization. Post-fertilization process is go through the two sub point. One is zygote formation and another is embryogenesis. Okay. Now we are discuss about asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction mainly four or five types. That means here single parents are produce their offspring by the help of binary fission. That means one single parent are divided two offspring. We see the binary fission in amoeba and paramecium. Amoeba, here we are discuss binary binary fission. It is amoeba and it is the nucleus amoeba and parent. Second step, nucleus is large, enlarged, and next nucleus divided into two, and cytoplasm are next step. Cytoplasm are also divided into two category, and last of all and final stage, daughter cell are formed. Daughter cell are formed. This is the binary fission. First of all, a single parent of amoeba. Nucleus is enlarged. After that, nucleus divided into two parts. Next, cytoplasm also divided into two parts in where is nucleus situated. Next, they are divided and they are formed a new baby that is called daughter amoeba or daughter cell or offspring. Next is budding. Next process is budding. We see the budding, the animal is hydra. That means that is hydra, and this is the bud. After sometimes the bud is cutting and bud is cutting and they are difference out difference to the parent body and produce a new hydra that is called hydra offspring. And another step is sporulation. Sporulation means this is the process of spore formation. This is penicillium. We see the diagram. This is sporulation. And it's conidia. And conidia is a type of spore, and this is penicillium. And one conidia is grow to another offspring. That means we see here binary fission occurs in the amoeba and paramecium, and budding is process. We see the hydra. Hydra is the animal, lower category animal, and sporulation occurs in penicillium body. Penicillium, its spore is called conidia, and after destructed from parent body, conidia produce a whole body of penicillium. Now we see the fragmentation. Fragmentation is a type of asexual reproduction. Here, the body is divided into female body and parent body and formed a new baby. This is the spirogyra, and this is the spirogyra. After that, there is cyst position is cutting. This part are formed new spirogyra, new spirogyra. And spore formation, where see the spore formation found in fungi and rhizophus. Okay. Next type is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is pre-fertilization event. Another is fertilization process, and next step is post-fertilization process. Pre-fertilization process is here. Pre-fertilization process occurs in gametogenesis. Here means gametogenesis means formation of gamete. and gamete transfer. Gamete formation is isogamete and isogamete are formation here, and gamete are formed by the process of diploid diploid animal gametogenesis from 2n and meiosis process with the help of meiosis process, and animal is or organism is haploid. Then gamete formation is by the process of mitotic division. Mitotic division. Gamete transfer by with the help of air, water, and stamen. Fertilization, that means syngamy. Fertilization occurs in fusion of male and female gamete. Male, female, and male gamete produce the zygote. Post-fertilization event is here first of all zygote are formed, after that develop into the embryo, and embryo go through the process of embryogenesis, after that they form the proper organism. Now we are discuss about the phases of life cycle, that means sexual reproduction, that indicate the sexual reproduction. Phases of life cycle. Life cycle is the mainly three types: juvenile stage, another is reproductive stage, and last stage लास्ट स्टेज इज सेंसियंट फेज। जुवेनाइल फेज में क्या होता है? जुवेनाइल फेज में जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसका ओरिजिन से जन्मों से उसका जो मैच्योरिटी है उसी टाइम को हम लोग जुवेनाइल फेज बोलते हैं। मैच्योरिटी मीन्स रिप्रोडक्टिव मैच्योरिटी। एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेट इन reproduction is called a reproductive phase. Before active participate in life, this part, this time is called juvenile phase. Period of growth and before maturity is called juvenile stage. Reproductive phase is the time during which the organism can reproduce. This time is called as reproductive phase. रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज में क्या होता है? रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज में ऑर्गेनिज्म खुद रिप्रोड्यूस करने के लिए उसका बिहेवियर का चेंज होता है और वो एक्टिवली रिप्रोड्यूस करता है। उसी पीरियड को हम लोग रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज बोलूँगा। जो एक्टिव रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज जाने के पहले जो टाइम है और उसका जो जहाँ पर ओरिजिन हुआ, जन्म हुआ, जिस टाइम से जन्म होने के टाइम से एक्टिव रिप्रोडक्टिव में पार्टिसिपेट करने के जो बीच है, टाइम के जो दूरी है, वही उसी टाइम को हम लोग जुवेनाइल फेज बोलते हैं। उसके बाद जब वो एक्टिवली रिप्रोड्यूस में इन्वॉल्व होता है, उसी टाइम को हम लोग रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज बोलते हैं। और रिप्रोडक्टिव फेज जब खत्म हो जाता है, उसका जो बायोलॉजिकल फंक्शन डिक्रीज हो जाता है और जो उसका जो एजिंग पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है, उसी टाइम को हम लोग सेंसिएंट फेज बोलते हैं। सेंसिएंट फेज इज decline the reproduction and biological function. Okay, next slide we see here reproductive strategy. Reproductive strategies means two types. One is seasonal breeders. Seasonal breeders means they reproduce during favorable condition. Dog, cat, and continuous breeders can reproduce throughout the year. Man, and last of all, the significance of reproduction. Why reproduction is required? Because reproduction ensures the survival of the species. रिप्रोडक्शन स्पीशीज का सर्वाइवल होने के लिए, और स्पीशीज सर्वाइवल है वो समझाने के लिए और दिखाने के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि रिप्रोडक्शन से एक स्पीशीज़ का फ्यूचर में उसका वो रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा धरती पे, वही डिसाइड करता है। इसीलिए रिप्रोडक्शन मस्ट बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एनी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म टू द फॉर द living lived in Earth. And another point is introduced genetic variation. That means when we see the sexual reproduction, here we see a female gamete and male gamete are reproduced, and both gamete are carrying different uh, man. That means a female and male are fuse and to reproduce a zygote, and after the embryogenesis process they form the organism. That why they are, because when they are carry a single set of chromosome in the female character, and another gamete is carry the single set of chromosome in female character, and after that they are fused. That why here, that means sexual reproduction here variation is occurs, and this variation is leading to the evolution, and it is very important for higher organism, because with the change of environment climax, evolution is must be required. Without evolution you cannot survive in the earth. Time to time you destroy, or you lost, or you extinct in the earth. Here good example is dinosaurs. Dinosaurs in a time is the dominant species, but after evolution he do not evoluted or do not adapted the climate, environment, and their inner body. That was now he is extinct in the earth, extinct species in the earth. Okay, thank you. Next class we are discuss about the details about, next class we are asexual reproduction details discuss. After that we are sexual reproduction detail discuss. After that we are discuss alternation of life.